Dear all, we started the second presentation today with ice-breaking activity. We discussed that purpose is intention with high intensity. It is the light force that guides and keeps your passion balanced. It's moving from the personal to the universal. We share this planet and so also our collective welfare. One should not get tied to pleasure principle and instant gratification of impulses. We are all microcosm of macro design. I answered a question on what I mean by moving from personal interest to societal welfare and gave example of how any world event can impact us in cascading effect. I told you how in Brave New World written by Aldous Huxley, principle of conformity is advocated for the selfish gain. But actually any civilized society also needs some conformity to prevent people thinking only personal gain. Solidarity and cooperation from all are required to have method in madness. We discussed how each day can be a birthday and we have a purpose for the day as we are living and healthy at least for a day. This should motivate us to do good. I told you the story of a father guiding his son for a treasure and his son learning how to appreciate simple joys in life. Success is important, but happiness also should be the driving force. Success is individual, significance has universal impact. I told you a story of the changing desires of a stonecutter and explained how purpose of our life should not be based on jealousy of others but our own individually defined idea. I showed you the picture of a statue sculpting itself and implored you not to get disheartened with the idea that we have a predestined role. We are privileged to be free, not condemned to be free. I told you the story of Alfred Noble and him reading his own obituary, which some people believe described him as merchant of death. He changed this goal and donated money for prize on literature, science and peace. There are alternate versions of his motivation too, but what matters here is that he actually donated his money for the philanthropic purpose. We ended our presentation for today and I suggested to send me questions if any. Take care and see you tomorrow in a class.